The journey starts in carefully managed forests, where trees are grown as a renewable source of the wood fiber needed to make paper. Every book begins with something surprisingly simple, a sheet of paper. Lies an incredible journey, from forest to factory, and finally into our hands.
When the trees reach the right stage, specialized harvesting machines cut and prepare the trunks with remarkable speed and precision.
Flow rates are holding steady at 5.
Flow rate is stable.
This is where the pulp undergoes its final transformation. We turn this raw brown fiber into a clean, bright white product.
Heavy lift is in motion, clearing Bay 4.
Let's verify the surface consistency.
Thickness is within range. Checking the alignment on page 42.
The drying temperature is optimal.
Perfect consistency on this run.
Send this batch to Dock 4.
Copy that, directing them now.
From the heart of the modern factory, millions of books and papers begin their journey, crossing vast oceans and continents through a seamless network reaching every corner of the globe. Everything appears to be in order.
From classrooms to universities, from offices to everyday life, paper and books continue to carry knowledge, ideas, and progress.